welcome to another video. And today we're going to be solving some of the most apparent hardest function questions. So we're given this question: for all values of x, f of x equals 2x minus 3 and g of x equals x squared plus 2. Solve fg of x equals gf of x. Let's write this out. We've got f of x equals 2x minus 3, and we've got g of x equals x squared plus 2. The first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to put them in these composite functions. So f g of x, so g of x, you're going to put g of x in f of x. So you're going to put this value here into the x for f of x. So you're going to get 2 times by x squared plus 2. And there's that. And that is going to be minused by 3. So expanding it out, you're going to have 2x squared plus 4 minus 3, which is going to be 2x squared plus 1. So gf of x is going to equal, we're going to plug f of x into the values of x for g of x. So f of x equals 2x minus 3. You're going to take that and you're going to put that as a replacement for the x in the g of x. So you're going to get 2x minus 3, and that is squared plus 2. That is g of x. So you want to expand this out. You're going to get 4x squared plus 9 and minus 12x. And that is what you're going to get. And then you're going to add that on. 9 plus 2 is 11. So plus the 2. And you're going to get your final answer of 4x squared minus 12x plus 11. We're going to have our gf of x, so you're going to have 4x squared minus 12x plus 11. And you're going to set that equal to fgx. So fgx, it was 2x squared plus 1. Now you're just going to simplify this. Take away 2x squared both sides, and you take away 1 both sides, so that this right hand side right is going to become 0, and in between, so once you do everything, your right hand side, this side, is going to be 0. Your left hand side is going to be 2x squared. You take away the 1, so you get minus 12x plus 10, and that's going to equal to 0. You want to solve this, so you divide everything by 2 to get yourself x squared minus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. You want to factorize this. This factorized will become x minus 1 and x minus 5. And all of this is going to equal to 0. So the two answers you really should get at the end, you add 1, you add 5. So your two answers are going to be x either equals 1 or x can either equal 5, and that is according to people, is one of the hardest function questions. So there are very 6 function questions which are the hardest, that many people struggled with in the past exam papers, and this was one of them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video.